How safe is the Audi A4 really? This car has been on the road for nearly 30 years. Millions of drivers trust it every day. From the classic B5 to the modern B9, today we look at crash tests and how Audi safety evolved over time. Before we start, subscribe to the channel. Here you'll find crash tests, safety comparisons, and real results that matter. Audi A4 B5. The Audi A4 B5 was designed in the mid-1990s. At that time, safety standards were very different. This generation had a strong body structure for its era. Dual front airbags and ABS were standard on many models. However, side airbags and electronic stability control were limited or optional. There are no modern IIHS crash scores for the B5. Good for the 1990s, but far behind modern safety expectations. Audi A4 B6. With the B6 generation, Audi made clear safety improvements. Side airbags became more common. Electronic stability control started appearing on more trims. The body structure was reinforced. Crash performance improved in frontal and side impacts. In European crash testing, the B6 showed solid adult occupant protection. Audi A4 B7, the B7 built on the B6 platform. Safety systems became more refined and more standardized. Curtain airbags were now widely available. ESP became standard in many markets. Crash performance remained strong for its class and time. Audi A4 B8. The B8 generation marked a major safety leap. This Audi A4 earned 5 stars in Euro NCAP testing. The structure was significantly stronger. Full airbag coverage became standard. In US testing, many B8 models received high NHTSA and IIHS ratings. Frontal, side, and rollover protection all improved. Audi A4 B9. The B9 is the safest Audi A4 ever built. It earned a full 5-star Euro NCAP rating. In IIHS testing, the A4 scored good in demanding crash scenarios. This includes small overlap front crashes. Advanced systems like Audi Presense help prevent accidents before they happen. Automatic emergency braking and lane assist add another layer of safety. Over 5 generations, the Audi A4 has changed dramatically. Early models were safe for their time, but modern A4s are on a completely different level. If safety matters to you, newer generations clearly offer better protection. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe. More crash tests and safety breakdowns are coming soon.